Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 1.5 litre Match Evo TSI 150 PS. The car is a standout and it has a great spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, lane assist, a rear view camera, a radar sensor control distance monitor, silver roof rails, park assist, hill hold control, and that's to go along with these 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels. The boot's huge, it's spacious, and it even has a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 3-zone climate control, an 8-inch colour touchscreen, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So, for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.